Mucho trabajo esta semana. A lot of work this week, man. I've been just standing on that press for most of my time. Incredible, man. Good, good, good. And just finishing up some shirts for this gym. Next, I got some tote bags I gotta do. That's a new client I got. Awesome. And the next thing I'm waiting for is having a little Zoom meeting with this client that he just bought a whole equipment, setting up the space, and he wants me to go over and set up the whole place where it's very productive, that everything is easy. You don't have to be moving around and walk all around to do things. And the meeting is mostly to tell him all the chemicals that he needs, the ink, water emulsion, and the screens, how many screens. So that's what I'm gonna do. But once I get that meeting done, then I come and do these tote bags. I gotta finish these tote bags, and then I guess that's it.
You get to acting like a hot shot. Now your body bleeding from the hot shot. Oh, I ain't tryna be no up, doc. No, oh, I ain't tryna be no up, doc. My daddy left from Palestine.
Right here, heading to the supermarket. Go get some plantains. I'm gonna move some totones. But check this building out. This is called the Dollar Saving Bank. It used to be called that. It's a bank that's been here on the Bronx and between the Concourse and Fordham Road. But what they did, look at this here. Beautiful. It has a tower. But what they did with this supermarket, because this is a historical place, it cannot be touched. Like the floor, the walls, everything has to stay the same. It's a historical building. Look at the windows. Beautiful. So they made this into a supermarket, and when I got in here, it was one of the most beautiful supermarkets I have ever been in. Let me check inside. Let me go get my plantains. Gracias, primo. So yeah, look at this. Look at the windows all around, even the paintings that were here. Look at those windows. But this is a beautiful place. Let's see. Oh, there goes the plantains right here. Yep, gonna get something like that. 99 cents one. Not bad, but look at those paintings. That's what I mean. This is a beautiful supermarket right here. Fruit, vegetables. Not only that, they got the meat store, fresh meat here. Look at the floor. They cannot touch that. That's been here since the 1930s. This is when this building was done, but look at this. The meat store here, the butcher shop, that's what it's called. Beautiful here. The meat, good price. tostones with the mojito. That little garlic, vinegar, olive oil, salt, pepper changes the tostones to another level. So I want to talk about yesterday's game. Friday, Notre Dame versus Indiana. Oh my God. I had Notre Dame to win minus 16.5. I picked the under 46.5. It looked like they were not going to even get to 40 something. But they were winning in the fourth quarter 27-3 with 4 minutes left. All of a sudden I'm looking, it's 27-7. I'm still up 17 points. I got the spread 16.5. And then they come get a onside kick and they lost by 10 points. Unbelievable. 27-17. Oh man, what a effery. FanDuel does that to you. Every time you want to gamble and you want to put your bet on a sport, oh man, it does that to me. I win, but sometimes when I lose, it's those type of effery that happens to me, man. It's funny, man. But today is the Kansas City Chiefs and the Steelers are playing. 2 different games, and I think one of them is on Netflix. I'm gonna watch that. On my next video, I'm gonna tell you what did I pick on my bet, and then from there on, I'm gonna talk more about what I do on my daily routine on the print shop, is doing my little FanDuel bet. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.
It has superior absorption compared
Interception! Interception, baby! Yeah, Montana! Got the interception. Let's do this!